Facebook recently added soccer mode or football mode, but you can turn off this option. In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off this option. Let's see how to do it. First of all, go to Play Store and search here Facebook app. Update your Facebook app to latest version your Play Store or App Store. Then open your Facebook app. Double tap here and tap on Let's Go. And see your soccer mode is enabled. And you can turn off this option. Again tap on Facebook. Your soccer mode is off. Thank you viewers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.